Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Binance US mobile app, secure guide step by step clearly. Open the Binance US mobile app on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the main screen, you will see options for logging in or creating a new account. If you already have an account, tap the Login button. Enter your registered email address. Make sure to input the email address associated with your Binance US account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Double-check for any typos to ensure accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once you've entered your email and password, tap the Login button. You may be prompted to complete two-factor authentication for added security. If you have set up two-factor authentication, enter the code from your authentication app or SMS. After entering your authentication code, tap the Verify button. Once your information is confirmed, you will be directed to your Binance US dashboard. You are now logged in and can begin trading or managing your account. If you encounter any issues during the login process, consult the Binance US support page for assistance. Always ensure that you are using the official app to protect your account. It's crucial to keep your credentials private and secure. Regularly update your password for enhanced security. Now you're ready to make the most of your Binance US experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.